Callistemon is actually commonly known as the bottle brush plant. Now, the great thing about this item is it's a Mediterranean beauty, but you can grow this here in the UK and it will thrive and flourish outdoors all through the year. Pretty much hardy down to around about -6 to -8 degrees Celsius. So in most places of the UK, this is going to be pretty hardy all the way through any winter. If you live perhaps in the very northern part of the UK, it might just need a little bit of winter protection, and you can do that using fleece or something similar. But also pick carefully where you plant it. So pick a south-facing area, pick somewhere that's well drained, and it will really grow and thrive. Now the full name for this is Callistemon citrinus. Okay, now when you smell it, you can really understand why it's called citrinus, because it's got that lovely citrus fragrance to the foliage when you crush it. But it's the bottle brushes that people grow this for. These absolutely beautiful flowers are like hotels. They're so attractive to bees, to butterflies, to pollinators. They're almost like a red version of lavender when it comes to the beneficial insects that this will introduce into your garden. So if you grow your own, whether it be runner beans, whether it be strawberries, whether it be tomatoes, this is a great plant to have in your garden because it will bring those pollinators in, make them do the work for you to produce bigger, better crops. Now, these are sold as what we call standards, which means you've got the lovely long straight stem, and on top of that you've got this globe of foliage and flower and bud. So they will flower beautifully, but they're elevated up, so they're going to be above your normal display. So this could be the centerpiece of a large pot. It could be the centerpiece of a bed or border. You could simply grow them in 2 decorative pots, either side of a door or a gateway, and they will welcome you every time you enter or leave the building. They really are beautiful additions, and they're an architectural gem because they are absolute statement plants. They will look fabulous all year. The foliage is evergreen, so it's going to always be in leaf all the way through the year, but then from spring all the way through summer, that's when you get these beautiful flowers. So true year-round interest, true elegance from the standard form that you've got here, and they're bringing a piece of the Mediterranean to your garden. So if a staycation is on the cards this summer for you, why not flourish these in your garden, make them a centerpiece of your patio, and really, really make your garden stand out from the crowd this year.